Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and today guys I bring you this video on how to make big money, get big earns in this big dip that we are experiencing it. If you check the coin market cap, we are almost in red, a little up in the last hour, but the market is in a big dip. Many news regarding how this happened, and no news regarding when we will continue going up and take back this down tendency that the market is experiencing. But I'm really tired of all the people crying regarding the dips in the market. This is a normal process and a consolidation process for the big amounts of money that will be entering into the market, and this is how markets works. So I'm very tired of reading stuff in Facebook and the social media regarding the end of Bitcoin, the end of altcoins, many fad news regarding the market, and I will explain in this video how to make money in these opportunities. Because you, as a person that want to enter in this market and you already are in it, you have two options. You can be a day trader and make money with the trading, which is what I am doing, and I'm getting a lot of money doing that. Or you just can hold and wait 1 or 2 years how the market responds and see how your earnings have been become. But I am tired to seeing all this news regarding the dips and the concern about the people who doesn't know anything in the market. So I will explain you a couple of things here. First of all, quick news regarding the market as a whole. AirAsia planning cryptocurrency-based reward program. AirAsia Chief Executive Tony Fernandez told Nikkei Asian Review that this frequently flyer rewards program is being converted into a cryptocurrency platform called Bitcoin. Another news, Audi is exploring blockchain for its distributional network. I will not go into these details, but Doge creator Jason Palmer, 2018 is shaping up to be the year of the fork. This guy is very funny. He actually did Dogecoin in 2013 as a joke. I don't know if you like this coin, but for me it's a scam, not future on it. Nvidia CEO, blockchain will stay for long-term time thanks to low fraction cryptocurrency. This is a big news. This guy is a very respectable guy, and his opinion is a good news about the cryptocurrency market. Telegram attracts 8 million in second round of ICO. Okay, so I just wanted to show you all this because all are great news in the market. There are another not so good news in the market, but cryptocurrency is here for a stay. It's a long term. This is not going to end for forever. This will continue forever, and we are here for the money. So what you can do for earn money in these dips? Well, first of all, I don't know if Bitcoin will continue going down. I am expected to break another support line, maybe in 5,800. I don't think we will see Bitcoin at 3,000 like many people say. But this right now is a very cheap price for Bitcoin. Many people say that you shouldn't buy cryptocurrencies when the tendency is down until you wait for the consolidation support price. But anyway, I did a video a couple of days before regarding the Tron launch. Will be tomorrow, 31. Not many people did what I recommended, but I won 100% in my earnings. I will put the link here so you can check that. But basically, I bought 1 Bitcoin into Tron the 18th of March. I did it at 2.5 cents. And sold my Tron possessions yesterday at 5 cents. So I won a complete Bitcoin for this transaction in a week with Tron because of this news for the launch and stuff. I am not a Tron fan, neither a hater, but I'm here for trading and to win money. So again, you don't should complain about the dips on the market. You should take place here, buy if you can, enter with more possessions, even if you are holding or even if you are a daily trader. The deep markets are opportunities to grow in your portfolio or to consolidate your portfolio or make money like I did with Tron in 1 week. So I'm tired for the crying of people on the dips. I already told you have two options. Be a passive holder, wait 1 or 2 years and see how your inventions are, or you can daily trade, see opportunities and buy there. So let's wait until Bitcoin goes a little down of here. You can buy Bitcoin at 6,300 for example. So let's say you buy 1 Bitcoin. You could easily get it into $12,000, I will say, by the end of May. So you can win $6,000 in 2 months buying 1 Bitcoin with 1,300 of your investment. You can get 100% of earn. I can sign a paper if you want. The market will be recovered in the end of May. I have a lot of information regarding this. Usually the YouTubers say we don't give financial advice. I am giving you a financial advice here. Buy Bitcoin right now or wait a little and buy it a little cheaper. But these dips are opportunities to make money. The market is not going anywhere. This is consolidation process and always happen in the market. Ripple, it's up 50 cents. Also a big opportunity. Ethereum, oh god, many people crying about their Ethereum possessions going down, but you don't lose money until you change your cryptocurrencies into fiat money. That moment is when you lose money. So keep your possessions in Ethereum if you already have. It will going back to the highest level that Ethereum has been, 1,200 I think, or 400. If you change your cryptocurrency right now into fiat money, you will be losing money. If not, this is just the regular market going on. And like I say, May is a big month for us, and we will be better in the summer. So my advice is buy Bitcoin, buy Ripple, buy Litecoin. We have I have possessions in Neo too. Neo really cheap, 49 cents. What another coin? Omisi Go, Icon. You can invest in them. Let's go a little down here. Silica, another great project. I have possessions also in my portfolio on it. Basic attention token. Storm, no, I don't recommend Storm. Fanfare, we have the launch of the prototype of the beta launch of Fanfare also in May. I am expecting a huge increase in the price, maybe 10 cents, 15 cents with the launch. Substratum, I did a lot of money with Substratum also in the trading. Now 33 cents, very cheap for Substratum also. Nucleus Vision, 2 cents and a half. This is a very big opportunity. You should get some Encash. It's a great project. I see a great future on it. Neblio, I will expect a little down price here for Neblio to get into it, but also it's a good project and a lot of opportunities there. So the dips on the market are money opportunities. Like I say, buy 1 Bitcoin now, you will earn the 100% by the beginning of June. after May. In May we will have a lot of recovery of the market. Not sure about April, but this is what I wanted to tell you. How to make money in these dips, invest in the coins. And see the opportunities like I did with Tron. There are plenty of that kind of opportunities. Like I say, May, you have fanfare. Even if you don't like the project, I personally like it, but even if you don't like the launch time of a project, it's a huge opportunity. The market is also psychological market. It's not, it's very young market, the cryptocurrency. A lot of things happen because of this people's psychology. So that's my advice. All the cryptos that I mentioned are buying opportunities right now, or you can wait a little more if the market goes a little down also. I don't expect to see Bitcoin at 3,000. If that happens, I will be entering very hard into Bitcoin. But anyway, this is what I wanted to tell you. Stop crying if you are a holder. Wait 2 years and don't see the daily updates of the crypto market, or start trading, start to look opportunities in the market, when to buy. There's many ways to learn about how to move into this market, and don't lose money on it. Thank you very much for seeing my videos. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Good night and happy trading.